Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for another Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, I'm going to plant some flowers. Stay tuned. I'm really not sure when this happened, but at some point in my life, I decided that I love to plant plants. I actually love the feel of the dirt. I used to hate to put my hands in the dirt, and I am even good about pulling weeds now. So I took a trip to Lowe's, and then I came home and I started repotting these plants. I wanted to design some plants, but I decided to get mostly hanging baskets and just transport them into the pots that I already had. The first thing that I am planting is a hibiscus. I love how those bloom in the summer and they look so pretty by the pool. I want to take just a moment to welcome you back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. As I said, today is Tuesday, so it is a Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and Tiny Tidy Tuesdays are hosted by my sweet friend here on YouTube. Her name is Sunday Dawn, and her channel name is The Helpful Home, and I will link her channel along with today's Tiny Tidy playlist in my description box below for lots of tiny tidying motivation. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plant all of these flowers, and I'm just going to take the hanging baskets, the little hanging part off, take the plant and put them in separate planters, and then I will be all finished and ready to enjoy them.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. So all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me, and let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night, time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see.
Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye-bye.